How to use Iterable. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Iterable. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Iterable, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Iterable, it is a cross-channel marketing automation platform developed by Iterable that helps businesses create, manage, and optimize personalized customer communication at scale. It enables marketers to engage users through multiple channels, including email, SMS, push notifications, and in-app messaging within a unified system. And the platform also is designed to support data-driven marketing by allowing users to segment audiences, analyze behavior, and deliver targeted messages based on real-time interactions. And one of the Iterable's key feature is its workflow builder, which allows marketers to design automated customer journeys. So now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you can also start booking a demo in here, in which all you need to do is simply enter your email address in here. For example, I'm just going to simply enter my email address and proceed by clicking the request demo button, in which by doing so, you'll be directed, or it will show you in here. The next thing that you need to do on the right side panel is to enter the country name and also submit it. Once done, you also need to fill out your first name, last name, your company name, your phone number, and even answer some of the questions, including how many emails are you sending on average per month, and even which email provider are you currently using. So basically, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information as needed, and after that, you will now be able to start booking a demo in here. However, you also need to remember that you need to choose your own schedule in here when you are available for the meeting or the demo, in which it will automatically show you on this pop-up window the date that you can also reschedule your demo with their representative. You can choose the date and even the time below. And you can even invite more attendees by entering their email address. But at this point, since I'm not going to do that, we're just going to simply close this one and show you the overview of using this Iterable. You can start going to iterable.com, and from here it will show you all the details that they offer, including why Iterable, in which they offer here a 3 times triggered messages drive more revenue than one size fits all sense. They also offer a 20% increase in marketing ROI. So basically, choosing Iterable is important because it provides a powerful, flexible platform for managing modern data-driven marketing strategies. Now, aside from that, some of the product that they also offer in here is this AI-powered communication platform, which are designed to help businesses automate marketing, personalize customer experiences, and make smarter decisions using data. Now, these AI capabilities are often grounded or grouped into AI suite that enhances different parts of the marketing process. And now to see what the platform looks like upon signing here or booking your own demo account after creating your account, is basically what it looks like. So you should be able to see here the dashboard of what this Iterable website looks like. You also have here a video of how you can start using the Iterable platform, including the tour video in here, in which this Iterable platform focuses on data-driven personalization and automation. Basically use a real-time customer data and behavioral insights to segment audiences and deliver targeted messages at the right time. And this is basically what it looks like. It will show us in here the overview or the analytics, including the number of total sent, the alerts on the right side panel, and it will show us in here the breakdown of it. On the top panel, we have here an option including messaging, content, audiences, insights, and integration. And as you can see, the platform also includes a visual workflow builder that allows users to design automated customer journeys without coding, making it easier to coordinate campaigns and respond dynamically to users' action. It will show us in here how you can start creating using the template. By clicking create new, you can start creating an email, for example, a push notification, send SMS on WhatsApp, and many more. So all of these are pretty much accessible in here. To start creating an email, it will show us in here what it looks like or what we need to fill out in order to send it directly. This is basically the workflow and how we can start doing so by building up precise segments in here, also creating a triggered and even a pipeline. This is basically what the sample of it looks like. It also provides tools for analytics such as A/B testing and performance tracking, enabling marketers to measure the effectiveness of campaigns and continuously optimize their strategies. Now, aside from this, it will show you also some of this step-by-step process on how you can start using or creating in here. For example, capturing customer moments until creating your own pipelines, creating or sending an email to your customer and leads, and many more. So all of these are pretty much accessible on the application upon signing in or booking your demo account. So the Iterable platform is important because it combines the automation, personalization, and multi-channel communication into one system. And aside from that, you can even integrate some other of this application and also platform in here. They also offer a support system that you can ask some of your concern if you have one. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Iterable. Thank you.